Welcome back to AI Unlocked. Here's what happened this week in artificial intelligence. OpenAI has officially released GPT 5.2, following an internal push to move faster amid rising competition. The new model brings stronger reasoning, improved coding performance, and better long context understanding. Another clear signal that the AI arms race is accelerating. This week, JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon warned that AI will eliminate some roles, but stressed that human skills like communication, creativity, and emotional intelligence will become more valuable than ever. The future of work won't just be technical, it will be deeply human. AI is also pushing beyond chatbots. A new AI-powered weather model is delivering unprecedented accuracy in extreme and mountain weather forecasting, showing how machine learning is reshaping climate prediction and risk management. Across industries, AI adoption continues to surge. From sports analytics to customer service and logistics, companies are using AI to improve efficiency, decision-making, and real-time insights at scale. This week made one thing clear. AI is no longer experimental. It's being deployed everywhere, faster than regulations, faster than workforce adaptation, and faster than most people expect. That's This Week in AI. Subscribe, share, and stay ahead with AI Unlocked.